Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Priya Brahmo, and today we will be talking about the BTC Accord Day, a historic milestone in Bodoland's struggle for peace. Today, the Bodoland Territorial Council, that is BTC, commemorates a momentous occasion, the BTC Accord Day. This date holds immense significance in the history of Bodoland, marking the signing of the Memorandum of Settlement on Bodoland Territorial Council. Today, the Bodoland People's Front, BPF, along with Party Supremo Hagrama Mohilari, including citizens and leaders, celebrated the occasion by offering floral tribute to Bodoppa Upendranath Brahmo's statue at the BTC Secretariat, followed by paying homage and floral tributes to the martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the dignity, identity, and right to self-determination of Bodos and Bodoland at Martyrs Cemetery at Debargaon. Senior party leaders, including former BTC Chief Executive Member Hagrama Mohilari, shared their insights on the significance of the BTC Accord and the challenges faced during its realization at the Martyrs Cemetery.
করা নাই বা সম্মান দেওয়া নাই এটো আমার কারণে দুর্ভাগ্যজনক গোটাই বিটিসিবাসীৰ কাৰণে এটো আমাৰ কাৰণে দুৰ্ভাগ্যজনক কথা হ'ল যিটো ক্ষমতা লৈ পেলাই হিয়া আজি শাসন কৰি আছে এইটো বিটিসি চুক্তি দ্বাৰা দি পোৱা ক্ষমতা তো আমাৰ ক'ব লগা কৰে আমি চুক্তিকাৰী হিচাপে বা দল হিচাপে আমি বিটিসি চুক্তিটো বছৰে বছৰে আমি পালন কৰি আহিছোঁ আৰু পালন কৰি যাম जोङो চুক্তিকাৰী হিচাপে আৰু বিপিএফ দল হিচাপে जोङो फैगौ समफ्रावबो फालिलांबाय थागोन बे बड'लेण्ड डेखौ आरो जोङो बे बड'लेण्ड डे अबजार्भ खालामनायजों लोगोसे फालिनायजों लोगोसे जोङो शहीदफोरखौ सन्मान होगोन बिबान माला बावगोन बड'फाखौबो जोङो सन्मान होगोन जों बे प्रग्रामा कन्टिनिउआस बोसोरफ्रामबो सोलिलांबाय थागोन आरो जों बावनो हानाय नङा इহঁতৰ शहीदৰ কাৰণে এই শহীদসকলৰ অৱদানৰ কাৰণে আমি আজি বিটিচি পাবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে আৰু এই বিটিচি যিখিনি ক্ষমতা পাইছে এই শহীদসকলৰ অৱদান আছে আমি কেতিয়াও পাহৰি যাব নোৱাৰোঁ আজি যিখিনি এনজয় কৰি আছে বিটিচিবাসী ৰাইজে এইটো শহীদসকলৰ কণ্ট্ৰিবিউশ্যন আছে শহীদসকলৰ অৱদান আছে এইটো আমি কেতিয়াও পাহৰি যাব নালাগে আৰু পাহৰি নাযামে আমি ভৱিষ্যতৰ দিনলৈকে আমি এইটো সদায় মানে এই দিনটো আমি পালন মান দিব নাজানা মানুহে কি শাসন কৰিব বিটিচিৰ কাৰণে কি জানে বিটিচিবাসী ৰাইজৰ কাৰণে যে কিবা এটা কাম কৰিব লাগে ইয়াত কোনো দায়িত্বই নাই বা জ্ঞানেই নাই তাৰ আজি শহীদসকলক কোনো সন্মান দিব জনা নাই ইমান হাজাৰ হাজাৰ ইয়াত শহীদসকল আছে ইহঁতে এনে শহীদ হোৱা নাইতো এনে এই অঞ্চলৰ ৰাইজৰ কাৰণে চেক্ৰিফাইচ কৰিব যে আমাক এইটো লাগে আমি 22 বছৰৰ আগৰ কথাটো চিন্তা কৰোঁ আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ অৱস্থা কি আছে এইটো যে আজি ইমান এটা ভাল এটা ক্ষমতা লৈ পেলাই আমি শাসন কৰি আছে এই মানুহে আজি শহীদসকলক সন্মান দিব পৰা নাই কৈ পেলাই শেষ কৰিব নোৱাৰি जोङो बुंनानै फोजोबनो हाया प्रमद बर'खौ बियो सरकारनि एजेन्ट हिसाबैसो खामानि मावगासिनो दं
The day also serves as a reminder of the collective efforts that led to the establishment of the BTC, fostering regional autonomy and promoting harmony. Now, let's talk about the historical background of BTC Accord. On February 10, 2003, the Assam government, the Union government, and the Bodo Liberation Tiger came together to sign the Memorandum of Settlement in New Delhi. This historic agreement paved the way for the establishment of the Bodoland Territorial Council. The BTC was created as an autonomous administrative body for the Bodo inhabited areas of Assam, comprising 4 districts, namely Kokrajhar, Chirang, Baksa, and Udalguri. The accord aimed to address the long-standing demands of the Bodo community for political representation, cultural preservation, and socio-economic development, known as the Second Bodo Accord. On February 10, 2003, a significant milestone was achieved when the central and state governments, along with the BLTF, signed the Memorandum of Settlement on Bodoland Territorial Council in New Delhi with the objective of creating an autonomous self-governing body known as the BTC within the state of Assam, granting constitutional protection under the 6th schedule for the BTC, fulfillment of economic, educational, linguistic aspirations, and preservation of land rights, socio-cultural and ethnic identity of the borders. Acceleration of infrastructure development in the BTC area. The BTC's jurisdiction extended over 3,082 villages, and it was granted legislative powers over 40 subjects. The Executive Council of the BTC comprised a maximum of 12 executive members, including a chief and a deputy chief with the representation for non-tribal population. The BTC Accord marked a significant step towards addressing the Bodo community's grievances. It provided a framework for regional autonomy, allowing the Bodos to govern their affairs while remaining part of Assam. The inclusion of non-tribal representation ensured inclusivity and harmony. The 6th schedule provisions applied to the BTC aimed at safeguarding tribal rights and cultural identity. The BTC became an autonomous body responsible for local governance, education, and development. The Bodoland People's Front has played a crucial role in the BTC functioning, led by former BTC Chief Executive Member Hagrama Mohilari, who advocated for Bodo interests and worked towards socio-economic progress. That's all for today's news. For more such updates, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.
We present to you Shakti Yatra. Shakti Yatra, the ultimate travel experience. Looking for a comfortable and hassle-free travel experience? Look no further than Shakti Yatra. Our new bus service offers a convenient and affordable way to travel between Kokrajhar and Guwahati. With Shakti Yatra, you can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride in our state-of-the-art buses. Our buses are equipped with modern amenities such as air conditioning, comfortable seating, and ample legroom to ensure that you have a comfortable journey. Our experienced and professional drivers are committed to providing you with a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Booking your ticket is easy and hassle-free. You can book your tickets offline from the ticket counter near Pragati Bhavan and also online through www.redbus.in. So why wait? Book your ticket with Shakti Yatra today and experience the ultimate travel experience.